Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frames for GALA. So, as always, our key level criteria: we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now our first key level we can notice is our monthly swing high. As price comes up, hits, and reverses drastically, making this an obvious spot to see on the monthly chart. Now we can also go ahead and plot our monthly swing low right here. As price comes down, hits, and reverses, and notice the large volume that we see at this key level. Now, let's go ahead and hop to the weekly. So, here in the weekly, we can go ahead and plot our weekly swing high at the top of the candle body close there, which is obvious to spot. And we also notice a key level right here. We have multiple reactions acting as support before price breaks through. Now, we also notice a key level right here as we see a reaction at the level, and as price breaks down and reverses, the same key level is now acting as resistance, which is obvious to spot here on the weekly with these candle bodies. Now, we can also go ahead and plot a key level right here as we see price come down, hit, reverse drastically, and we notice a long wick reacting to the key level, and notice this candle here showing a reaction to the key level before breaking through and going down drastically. Another key level we notice is right here, where we see multiple reactions acting as support. And we also notice some reactions over here. So we're going to go ahead and draw this in as a zone. Because remember, price does not react to a set price, and price reacts to the zone. So if price comes up, we do not expect an exact reaction of reversal at this price point. We expect to see a reaction around the key level. So that's why it's always important to draw zones for your key levels. As price reaches this general area, we expect to see a reaction, and maybe we can look at lower time frames for setups that show a reversal or continuation. So we also notice a key level right here, as we have multiple reactions acting as support and resistance. Support as price breaks through, and as price breaks back below, we notice resistance. Now, our most recent key level, we have a resistance here, and we notice that price reacted to it over here as well. And we can also go ahead and plot a key support level right here. As we see price come down, hit, reverse, and as price breaks through, comes back, hit, and reverse. So, zooming out, these are all the key levels on the monthly and weekly chart for GALA. Now, as price continues on and reverses from this level, we expect to see reactions from these key levels. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.